Are you looking to accelerate the development of your adhesive product developments? Do you want to improve the efficiency of your research and development processes? Then our online training, Accelerate Adhesive Product Developments Using Powerful Combination of FTIR and DMA Techniques, is the perfect solution for you. In this live online training, expert will guide you on how to use combination of FTIR and DMA techniques to systematically analyze and optimize your adhesive products. You will learn how to identify chemical structures, quantify the extent of chemical reactions, and evaluate the viscoelastic properties of your adhesive formulations. By integrating both these techniques, you will gain valuable insights into the chemical and physical behavior of your adhesives, allowing you to make informed decisions about how to modify and improve them. You will also learn how to interpret and analyze the data generated from these techniques, enabling you to optimize your adhesive formulations for specific applications. Our online training is designed for professionals in the adhesive industry who want to improve their understanding of adhesive product development. With our expert instructor and comprehensive topic discussion, you will gain the knowledge and skills you need to accelerate your adhesive product development and achieve greater success in developing top-notch adhesive products. So why wait? Register for our online training today and start accelerating your adhesive product developments. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com.